Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so this video we are going to reset the check engine light on a Volvo. What you want to do is you want to have the key in position 1. You're gonna hold down the trip meter. You're gonna turn the ignition to position 2. You're gonna wait until service icon flashes twice, and then you're gonna release the trip odometer button. Basically, that's how you do it, guys. All right, so position 1, when you put the key in, it's at position 0. Position 1 is one position up. All right, position 2 is right before you crank. You don't want to get to the crank position, which is position 3. If this doesn't work for you guys, or if you guys have issues doing it, you guys can take the negative cable off the battery for 30 seconds, 40 seconds, put it back on. It'll do the same thing. Hope that this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any comments, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Take care.